friends, hope you're well. Today I will show you website. First you can see that the name of website and the name of logo of website. First of all, register your account and enter your email and next password. Then sign up. Announcement: Redma allow long in dynamic investment. You can 30 USDT unit register your daily plan. Then diamond 1, diamond 2, then I go know. Then recharge. Copy address, recharge completed. Then click the trust wallet, enter the passcode USDT, send, paste, then amount 0.5, click next. Just few minutes loading. Then confirm back to website. Then team invitation code 114438. Then copy team size 0, team recharge 0, team withdraw 0, new team 0, first time recharge 0, first withdraw 0, level 1 team 0, team recharge 0, details level 2 team 0, team recharge 0, level 3 team 0, team recharge 0. Then click the VIP bronze 1. Daily tax 1, simple interest in 1.90, daily profit 1.90, the total profit 342. Daily bronze 2, daily tax 1, simple interest in 90.80, daily profit 9.80, the total profit 1070.64. Then silver 1, silver 2, silver gold 1, gold 2, diamond 1, diamond 2. Then click the tax in process completed. Click the completed. Then back to me, click the withdraw balance, total balance 1.90, enter the email, then again get the trust wallet, click the receive, then USDT receive copy, back to withdraw account, then paste, confirm, enter the withdraw, total balance 0.90, then password, paste, confirm, withdraw successfully.
आ गया और वो ऊपर वाला मैसेज